Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the MIT Police Honor Guard.
Institute, and please also remain standing to join the MIT chorallaries in the singing of one verse of the Star-Spangled Banner.
Some of you are aware that this portion of the commencement program got a bit of conversation started here on campus this year. As is often the case when thoughtful people talk about important matters, everyone benefited. I now invite your attention. Today is the beginning of a new chapter in our collective lives. We have come from many places, and we are grateful for the shared energy we have found here. We are grateful for all who have traveled with us, for families who supported us, for teachers and mentors who have believed in us, for those who have given us love and encouragement. We know that all who began this journey with us will not finish, and we pause to consider how we may bring them along with us, in memory, in attention to the values that they lived by. May we look into our brother's face. May we look at our country and say simply, very simply, with hope, good morning, and it is good.
Speaker, Chairman of the Board and Chief Executive Officer of the DuPont Company, Ellen Kuhlman. It's particularly fitting that Mrs. Kuhlman will be our speaker this morning. She began her career with a degree in mechanical engineering and went on to a Master of Science in Management. A salute from the graduate student body.
Good morning. So I was thinking about what I could share with you today that would have some kind of lasting inspirational value. I had an epiphany. And no, this was not some profound words of wisdom that are going to make you all rich, happy, ravishingly beautiful. It was that while I do remember keynotes, remarks from the past, graduations, such as what we just heard from Ms. Coleman, words that are encouraging, memorable, and that inspire the very best in us, I can hardly remember anything from what students have said, and the little I do remember are definitely not the inspirational parts. For example, MIT Commencement 2012. I remember that year, keynote speaker Saul Kahn of the Khan Academy, inspiring us with words of love, empathy, and optimism. In addition, with all the students that find romance here at MIT, I remember Saul speculating that MIT really might just be a front for some type of advanced DARPA-funded reading project. Well, good morning. To everyone who
was here this morning to celebrate our graduates. Welcome to MIT. And to the parents and families of today's graduates, congratulations to you as well. For you, this day is the joyful result of years of serious effort, loving support, and sacrifice. And please accept our deepest gratitude and admiration. It is great to have you all here on Killian Court on this wonderful day for this tremendously important occasion. But before we let you graduate, I'm expected to give our graduating class a charge. That's a fancy way of saying that I'm supposed to give you some advice. Since you have gotten yourself this far without my advice, it isn't clear that you need any from me now, except perhaps watch your step going down that ramp. Quite frankly, coming up with advice that would be useful for people as talented as you are is a big challenge. So I'm going to distract you for a minute with some advice that was given to me by some of your fellow MIT students. When I took on the job of president 2 years ago, a group of students volunteered to advise me. They called themselves the Presidential Transition Advisory Cabinet. At the end of the first year, they decided they were so good at giving me advice, they would just keep doing it.
Liao.
Adam S. Zeiger.
Amy C. Liu.
Lai Zhang.
Andrea D. Nickerson.
Liang Zhang.
Advanced degree diplomas will now be presented to students in the Sloan School of Management who have completed the specified degree requirements. Master of Business Administration Sloan Fellows, Adebayo A. Adeyemi,
Madeline D. Scott.
Modupe O. Adeyeri,
Ritu Shane.
Anas Ahmed,
Iris E. Shu.
Ibrahim Q. Albuenan,
Divya R. Siva.
Vesma Aljarbo,
Bundy Sun.
Abdallah S. Al-Suelmi,
Melina E. Sisikli.
Amin Al-Torfi,
Jenny H. Van.
Vivek Amanani,
Sarah A. Wise.
Nicholas Anastasiou,
Madeline L. Wharton.
Emiliano M. Borelli,
Kristen D. Wilhite, member of the 2014 Class Council.
George Edward Barros Karam,
Joanna R. Ye.
Mohit A. Bhatia,
Catherine M. Alsop,
Essen I. Chima,
Barry D. Rudney,
E. Chuan Chen,
Engwan Che,
Suman L. Cheramal Seaman,
Nahara Gunasekara,
Hasit Kumar N. Dungy,
He Huang,
Andre Danko,
Elizabeth A. Kilbane,
Alvaro Delgado Aparicio Labat,
Rex S. Lamb,
Jose I. DePassier Fernandez,
Abi R. Mitra,
Jeffrey D. De Batista,
Taylor S. Rajak,
Ari Fiona De Money Gunton,
Zahad Shahid,
Mustafa M. Al-Ghoruri,
Laura R. Stillwell,
Kelvin S. Fan,
Jonathan K. Teagues,
Catherine E. Fazio,
Jonathan A. Thompson,
William T. Fennell Jr.,
Antoine K. Weeks II,
Wing Loon Foong,
Jay Zhao,
Kareem Ghazoui,
Bachelor of Science in Political Science, Annie V. Kai,
Christian J. Glander,
Ruby Charan,
Valdemar Grabka,
Jacqueline W. Hahn,
Imar Y. Repro,
Kareen M. Johnson,
Justin M. Hashem,
Alfred Lauren E. Burke.
Bakir Vezarelli.
Emily C. Chen.
J. John Lee.
Camille A. DeJarnett.
So John Lee.
Tara R. Diduck.
Xing Tai Lung.
Rebecca A. Reed.
Jian Li.
Thomas D. Roberts.
Ivan Lee Huang.
Bethany C.
Ishra.
Hershey Vivel A. Clorina.
Kiriko Miyazaki.
Megan A. Cox.
Babach Movasagi.
Aaron J. Cruz.
Krishan K. Narang.
Donald D. Dawkins.
Mukan
Science and Chemistry. Arunima D. Balan.
Jonathan B. Shoemaker.
Tatiana S. Berger.
Andre Semeo Osorio de Barros.
Julia R. Burke.
Devinder Singh.
Megan E. Cherry.
Franz W. Sorensen.
N. Young Alice Choi.
Philip A. Stransky.
Vincent D. DeAndrea.
Toshihiro Tiranishi.
Kylie J. Harmon, member of the 2014 Class Council.
Mark A. Thomas.
Eileen C. Johnson.
Yasuyuki Tomita.
Sean P. Carson.
Renaud Track.
Sumin Kim.
Siripam Trisatsana Taborn.
Daniel A. Mokhtari.
Junpei Watase.
Catherine J. Sylvester.
Yi-Hair Wu.
Sasilada Srirungun.
Han W. Yip.
Suwan L. Tawong.
Masaru Yokota.
Grace Tuyurngari.
Han Rick Yoon.
Alexandra T. Roble.
Satoko Yoshida.
Erica Yi.
Yasushi Yoshida.
Bachelor of Science in Biology. Caitlin N. Allen.
Master of Science in Management, Sloan Fellows. Shin Chen.
Benjamin N. Bell.
Rocio Fonseca Chamorro.
Dorian A. Burks.
Tugril Turab Ali.
Natalie G. Chernisov.
Master of Business Administration, Executive. Ahmed Basim Esabdel Rahman.
Christopher L. Cervantes.
Jawad A. Hassan.
Cynthia Chen.
Clifford C. Akins III.
Abel C. Chow.
Saras Akanene.
Regina S. Cho.
David G. Allen.
Nasia Chaudhuri.
Advanced degree diplomas will now be presented to students in the School of Science who have completed the specified degree requirements. Master of Science in Chemistry, Mackenzie M. Martin.
Ryan F. Shields.
Master of Science in Atmospheric Science, Sean R. Berlin.
Jason S. Shee.
Doctor of Philosophy with all the rights and privileges pertaining thereto, Albert E. Ahmad. N. Deck.
Nicola Tan.
Alan T. Deckelbaum.
Weishi Janice Tan.
Tyler A. DeWitt.
Christopher H. Tang.
Nathaniel A. Dixon.
Lucas A. Tatone.
Alexander J. Dubs.
Matthew O. Terrell.
Okay, no mamangay to pi.
Carolyn S. Lu. Yeon Lu. Orlando Luisilo Ramirez. Ching Wang. Rondo Wang. Joey Wang.
Kay nung inkwent ang puto pa mo.
Huey Wang. Ifan Wang. Ishin Wang. Yu Wang. Ni Watari. Yining Wei, Jicheng Wu,
Mong kế một đấy. Mong kế một.
Jingwei Yu,
Ôi, cái mà quân tình liên đi phải tua tình số tí.
Jason S. Young, Menru Zhang, Ri Zhang, Suking Zhang, Zheng Zhang, Cui Zhang, Juntong Zhang, Xiao Zhang, Jaylin Zong, Zia Chao.
Who have graduated today, but also to families, friends who are here with us and those who could not be here with us. It's a great moment and you deserve the congratulations. The 148th commencement exercise of the Massachusetts Institute of Technology is now concluded. At this time, would we all rise and join with the chorallaries in singing the school song?